The Supreme Court stayed a Madras High Court order that cancelled government jobs given to relatives of victims of the 2025 Karur stampede, providing relief to the Tamil Nadu government. A bench of Justices J.B. Pardiwala and K. Vinod Chandran issued notices to the petitioners and other parties while hearing the state's appeal. The stampede took place on September 27, 2025 at a rally addressed by Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay in Karur. 41 people were killed and over 60 were injured. On July 10th, Vijay had handed appointment orders to 31 relatives of those who died. The Supreme Court questioned the challenge to the policy and asked the petitioner, "Who are you to question the policy of the government?" The bench also asked whether the government should not provide employment to a son or daughter when the sole earning member of a family dies in such a tragedy. The Madras High Court had quashed the appointments on July 27. It had warned that the decision could open the floodgates for similar demands. The court had also said executive decisions must stay within constitutional limits. The petitioners argued that government jobs outside the regular recruitment process were discriminatory. They pointed out that around 39 lakh young people are unemployed in Tamil Nadu, while nearly 20 lakh candidates compete in government recruitment examinations. The Supreme Court's interim order means the appointments will remain protected for now as the case proceeds.